going to look at how to do a McNemar's test in Stata without any data read in using the Navajo heart attack and diabetes data example. To run McNemar's test in Stata, you're going to go to the Epidemiology and Related tab and find tables for epidemiologists. And what we're dealing with is a matched case control study, and you're going to choose the calculator option if you don't have data read in. Then you need to feed in your data in matched pairs form. You have to make sure that your data are already structured in their matched pairs such that the total sample size, which is 144, actually represents the number of matched pairs in your data. Then you can go ahead and read in the data from your table. If you remember, McNemar's test works on the discordant pairs. So in this case, we have 37 plus 16 discordant pairs in the data set. We see that they reconstruct the matched pairs table, the 2x2 table of matched pairs, and then if you come down, the first testing line gives you the large sample McNemar's test. So if you were to construct a large sample test, your test statistic is 8.32, follows a chi-square distribution with 1 degree of freedom under the null hypothesis, and this results in a two-sided p-value of 0.004, and we would reject the null hypothesis in this case. If instead we decided to do an exact test, the results of the exact McNemar's test are on the second line. Using the exact test, we find a p-value of 0.006, and again we would reject the null hypothesis. And in the output, specifically, they give you the proportion of cases that have the factor as well as the proportion of controls, as well as give you an estimate of the odds ratio with a 95% confidence interval. If you are dealing with a case control study, the odds ratio will be the most interesting summary measure to present.